Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where we explore the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. Today, we're talking about 10 proven strategies for growing your small business in the US market. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, these tips will help you achieve your goals. Know your target market. The first step in growing your business is to know your target market. This means understanding who your customers are, what their needs and preferences, and what motivates them to buy. Use market research to gather this information, and use it to create a customer profile that you can use to guide all of your marketing efforts. Offer unique value proposition. In a competitive market, it's important to stand out from the crowd. That's why it's essential to have a unique value proposition. This means offering something that your customers can't find anywhere else, whether it's a unique product, exceptional customer service, or a compelling brand story. Network and collaborate. Networking is key to growing your business. Reach out to other small business owners and influencers in your industry and form strategic partnerships. Collaborating with others can help you reach new customers, tap into their audience, and gain access to new resources and opportunities. Stay up to date. In the business world, things are always changing. Stay informed about the latest trends, technologies, and best practices in your industry to stay ahead of the competition. Attend conferences, read industry publications, and join online communities to stay in the loop. Utilize social media. Social media is a powerful tool for growing your business. Choose the platforms that your target audience uses most, and use them to reach out and engage with them. Share valuable content, participate in online conversations, and promote your products and services to grow your following and build your brand. Invest in content marketing. Content marketing is a cost-effective way to reach and engage with your target audience. Create blog posts, infographics, videos, and other forms of content that provide value to your customers, and use them to drive traffic to your website and promote your products and services. Provide exceptional customer service. Customer service is critical to the success of your business. Treat every customer with respect, listen to their needs and concerns, and go above and beyond to resolve any issues. This will help you build a loyal following and establish a positive reputation for your business. Measure your results. Measure your results to see what's working and what's not. Use analytics to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and sales, and use this information to adjust your strategies as needed to achieve your goals. Use visuals. Visuals are a powerful tool for engaging your audience and conveying complex information. Use infographics, slides, and videos to help illustrate your points and keep your audience engaged. Engage your audience. Finally, engage your audience. Encourage them to leave comments, ask questions, and participate in discussions to foster a sense of community and build relationships with your customers. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business tips. Thanks.